Okay, stand in straight line, please. Okay, everybody, I want you. Little Vikings, okay. Can you please face that way, face that way, and then put up your dragon. Put up your dragon, come on. Up, put your hands up. Show your dragon this way. Okay, and then, look everyone. Sorry. Okay, taas niyo yung kamay niyo and napakita niyo yung gawa niyo. Yay! Okay, now, I want everybody to give them a round of applause and then I'll ask for their names, okay? Round of applause, please! Woo! Very good! Okay, now we're going to ask their names, okay? What's your name? Chris. Okay, very good. And tell me the name of your dragon? Yeah, okay, yes, the name of his dragon. Thank you, Fritz. Okay, Tracy, how old are you? 4. Okay, can I see you? Do you have a name for your dragon? Oh, I think this is a Viking. Is it a Viking? Yeah, can you show? It's a pretty Viking. Look at that. What's the name of your Viking? Is it Astrid? Astrid! Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Kate. Nathan, what's the name of your dragon? Black? Oh, this is black. Okay. What does it do? What does black do? Black is black. Okay, very good. Thank you, Nathan. What's your name? Eros. What is your... Oh, is this a dragon? It's a... Hiccup. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Eros. Chino, oh, everyone look at what Chino has done, okay? He created a 3D dragon. Can you give him a big round of applause, please? This is a nice creation. How old are you, Chino?